Okay, I just got this really awesome hat in the mail to review. This comes from Zakova. This is their wide brim bucket hat, and this has two solar powered fans that go right into the brim of the hat. The brim is over 4.5 inches wide. It's made from a PVC nylon material, and of course, the solar powered fans are an ABS type of plastic. You can recharge those fans via sunlight, or it also comes with USB-C charging cables to go ahead and charge those. You can get this in an array of colors. It comes in 18 different colors. We'll open this up and check it out. In the package, of course, you've got two USB chargers. Yes, two solar powered fans. Very cool on that. The hat itself is really nice. It's a lightweight, comfortable material. It's got some breathable sections sewn right here into the top. It has an adjustable strap right here just above the brim, and it's also got an adjustable chin strap right here. It is very, very cool. This has a sweatband sewn right into it right there. Go ahead and put just the hat on, and it's nice. It's lightweight. It feels really cool. I absolutely love these types of hats, and adding a solar powered fan is going to make those hot days just that much more manageable. So I'll put the hat to the side for a second. We'll check out these really awesome solar powered fans. They've got these two clips that come out of the sides, and that's how it connects right there to the brim of the hat. And very easy to operate these. Right there, it has the USB-C charging port to go ahead and charge these things up. It also has the power selector, and then it has a push button to turn it on and go through the fan speeds. It's got 3 different fan speeds, so you just push the button. It's going to automatically come on. Push it again. That's 2 speeds. And then 3 times is the high speed. And it's got a pretty good airflow. 2 of these is going to be awesome, especially on a hot day with this nice hat on your head. This setup right here is going to be perfect for fishing, beach days, gardening, lawn work, if you just want to stay a little cooler. And also, this would make an excellent, unique gift. The hat itself is water resistant. You can also machine wash this, and the solar powered fans on a full charge last anywhere from 7 to 9 hours. Let's go ahead and clip these right into the hat. Now, both of these fans are exactly the same. It doesn't matter which side of the brim that you clip these onto. You simply line it up with the clips and just push it right down on there. You'll hear it clip into place. Do the exact same thing on both sides. And it's got like a little plastic gear, so that's going to help hold it into place whenever you dial it in on exactly where you want that airflow. And to demonstrate the gear lock on the fan, it's really easy. You simply find the angle that you want, just tilt it, and it's going to lock it right into place. Whether you want that air blowing directly on your face, you can tilt it to blow away from your face, or you can just point it straight down and kind of have a curtain of air just going down your whole body. It's really, really cool. Go ahead and try it on. Now, I found it's a little bit easier to turn the fans on before you put the hat on, so you can go ahead and use your selector switch to get the speed that you want, and then go ahead and put the hat on. And right here on the back is that adjustable strap, so you want to adjust that for your head size. And of course, you've got a chin strap right here. I'm going to tell you right now, the airflow coming off of these fans on my face feels excellent. I'm going to go ahead and put the chin strap here, move it around. It's pretty locked onto my head. I love that you can adjust this. I love that it has a sweatband already into the fabric. This would be perfect for going to theme parks on those hot days. You always see people walking around with those straw hats. This is just that much better because of these solar fans. And of course, on a hot sunny day, they are just going to stay charged with that solar powered panel. So this product right here is a win-win. If you're in the market for a nice hat or an excellent way to stay cool, definitely check out this solar powered fan bucket brimmed hat. Absolutely love it. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.